Hello everyone. This tutorial is going to show you how to import data directly from a website into R and RStudio. For this example, we're going to use Ark ETF funds. We want to know which stocks are being held in each ETF. So the first thing we have to do is go to the website. Once we're at the website, we see here full holdings CSV. Just going to right click on it, copy the link address. Alright, once you have that, you'll be able to go in here, and we'll be using the package tidyverse. So we're just going to use read_CSV, and you're just going to paste in here that link address. And if we run these, so you can see there's the Ark K fund, Ark Q fund, Ark G fund, and the PRNT fund, which is the 3D printing, and the Ark W fund. So as you can see here, these holdings could change potentially on a daily basis. So instead of going to the website, you could use R, and you're pulling all 5 spreadsheets or CSVs at the same time. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to combine them, right? So if you could see these as an example, Tesla stock can be held, you see, in the Ark K fund. So they could be held in the, I guess, is the Ark G fund. No, not the Ark G fund. See the Ark Q fund and the Ark W fund. So you can see that there's multiple funds that potentially could hold the same stock. So what we're going to do here is we're going to combine these 5 funds together using rbind. So here we'll just call this variable Ark ETF. Alright, and you can see in this data here now, it'll tell you which fund it is. Well, you can see here, for some reason, there's this line, the principal risks. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove that. Alright, so for this, we're going to use the filter function, and we're going to use str_detect. So in here, in this function, what we're doing is we're going to call out the column, right, which is, it was under the date column, and the pattern that we're looking for is anything that starts with the. You can see the, everything else that we do want is a date, so we're just going to remove everything with the. Alright, and we put this exclamation mark to say that we want to remove anything that has the in it and the date column. If we run that, so you're going to see that it is no longer there. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is, let's just say that we want to look at the Tesla holdings. So you can see here that we have Tesla. I don't think you can see it there. You can see here there's Tesla holdings in the Ark K fund, the Ark Q fund, and the Ark W fund. So if you want to keep track of how many shares are owned in each, how many Tesla shares are owned in each fund, this would be something that would possibly just take you a few seconds to run. You wouldn't have to look at all the funds individually. You could simply run this script and get the data that you need. Maybe there's a specific stock that you're looking at, or just, there's a completely different data set, right? And you could pull all the data, you could clean it up. Maybe you need to look at it once a day. Just running the script will take a couple seconds. It can save you a lot of time. All right, thank you for watching.